Hello friends, welcome to the .NET interview community. I am your host Nirbhay Chauhan, a developer, author and a trainer passionate about leveling up the skills. Whether you are gearing up for an interview or simply want to deepen your understanding of .NET technologies, you have come to the right place. I have authored several interview preparation books which are available on Amazon. Link of these books are given below in the description box. So let's dive into today's question and see how we can tackle it together. So friends, our today's question is, what is the software development lifecycle or SDLC? So the software development lifecycle or SDLC is a structured process that outlines the steps involved in creating, testing and deploying a software. So whenever we see a software, it is went through all these phases where a requirement gathering is being there, then after that the development process is there, and then testing and the deploying of the software. So these are the development life cycle of a software, and that is popularly known as SDLC. So let's see the key phases of the SDLC. So SDLC key phases are planning phase, where we plan for a software or we figure out a problem. Yes, we see a problem and that can be tackled via a software or a computer software. That's the planning phase. Then the requirement gathering. Once the problem is being identified, then how that problem can be addressed, or what all things can be required, how robust application can be built for it, and how much scalability is required for that software to tackle if there is scale is required. So that is all things comes into the requirement gathering part. After that, the design phase, where based on the requirement gathering and understanding of the upcoming software, a design is being created, whether it will be requiring a architect level design or any specific UI design. So that things are being discussed or planned or in the design phase. And once the design is finalized, then it goes into the development phase, where the actual development of the software starts. And once the development of the software is completed, then it goes into the testing phase, and then testing and development goes in on and on for the cycles, so that like the bugs fixing and all that happens in the development and the testing phase. After that, once the testing is completed and the software is performing as per the requirement specifications, then it moves on into the deployment phase, where the software is being deployed for the end users to use it. And then once the software is being deployed, then the maintenance phase comes into picture, where the software is actually being maintained, and whatever the user issues or any runtime issues are coming, they are being addressed in the maintenance phase. So these are the SDLC phases, and I would like to know from you that which is the longest phase or stage in SDLC as per your understanding. Comment your answers in the comment sections below. So friends, there you have it. I hope you have gained some valuable insight from this video. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button to stay updated on our latest content. And if you have any questions or want to discuss further, feel free to leave a comment below. Plus, let's connect. Follow me on Medium and LinkedIn for exclusive content. The link is given below in the description box. See you in the next video.